Hey folks, if you're an Airbnb, you have to clean your place. And what also helps is leave your guests lots of cleaning supplies. And if you're picky about where to use it, label it. If you just want tub and shower stuff, label it. Have lots of stuff around. Have lots of extra garbage bags around. Label where you want your trashes to go if there's sorting in your area. Put bags inside so it's all ready to go, easy to clean. Another little thing I like to do is always have a fresh roll of bathroom tissue when you're getting ready for new folks. And my big tip when you first come in after someone's left is, of course, duct tape. And what I like to do is get a hunk of duct tape before you even sweep up. Go around and look for, it's a little gross, but you go around and look for hair, because hair gets everywhere. And when you go to clean it, it's like hard to find, and it just keeps showing up. But if you stick it to the duct tape, it has no chance. Here we go. Yeah, hair. So if you stick it to the duct tape, there, it's stuck and it's not going to get away. So you just, yeah, pull off a little section and use it till it fills up and grab some more, because then you're not constantly sweeping up the same piece of hair. Anyway, those are just a few tips. Good luck.